Imagine changing your vacation photo background in seconds, turning yourself into an action figure on your desk, or removing your ex from a picture faster than you can say, banana. Google's latest AI tool, oddly named Nano Banana, is making waves, and some are already calling it a Photoshop killer. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And should we be excited or concerned? Let's break it down. Google's Nano Banana is an AI-powered image editing and generation tool built into the Gemini app. Think of it as a next-gen photo editor where you can remove objects with a click, change backgrounds instantly, merge images together seamlessly, apply realistic styles faster than ever before. Unlike traditional photo software, Nano Banana is powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, meaning edits happen in near real time. Visual cues: side-by-side examples of traditional Photoshop editing versus Nano Banana one-click edits. So what makes Nano Banana stand out in a world already packed with AI art tools? Speed. It's up to 6 times faster than competing tools. Consistency. Faces and objects look the same across multiple edits. No more AI face swaps gone wrong. Accessibility. Available for free and paid users across web and mobile. Viral creativity. From figurine-style edits to cinematic remixes, users are already flooding social media with experiments. Since its launch, Nano Banana has driven over 10 million new users to the Gemini app and processed 200 million edits in weeks. People are using it for everything from fun selfies to professional product mock-ups. Examples: social media creators, fast, eye-catching edits, small businesses, instant product photos without needing a studio. Students and educators, quick visuals for projects and lessons. Some are calling Nano Banana the Photoshop killer, but is it really? Photoshop, precision, layers, deep control. Nano Banana, speed, accessibility, creative flow. The reality: they might coexist. Photoshop for professionals, Nano Banana for everyday creators. With great power comes, well, you know the rest. Nano Banana raises some big questions. Misinformation. Edited photos could spread quickly online. Trust. Can we believe what we see anymore? Ethics. Responsible use in journalism, advertising, education. Safeguard. Google embeds Synth ID watermarks, both visible and invisible, to mark AI-generated images. But will that be enough? Nano Banana isn't just a quirky name. It may represent a shift in how we interact with images. Editing used to be a skill. Now it's becoming a conversation. You tell the AI what you want, and it delivers. Speculation. Could replace many casual use cases for Photoshop. May spark new creative industries. Raises the stakes in the AI arms race between Google, OpenAI, and Adobe. So, is Nano Banana the future of photo editing, or just a fun toy? Maybe it's both. What's clear is that Google's tool makes AI editing more accessible, faster, and maybe even more fun than ever before. But as with every leap in AI, it comes with responsibility. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Google's Nano Banana, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Simply AI Explained, and let me know in the comments, would you use Nano Banana to edit your photos? Or do you still trust Photoshop more? See you in the next one.